Oh my God. Hello. You're not going to believe what happened. Stopped again, right nearly at the end. And I thought we were still filming, and I'd done this top bit. So where we finished off was, yeah, God, I'm going to get a video done if it kills us. So what I was starting to do was put these on either side of the crossbar. So that's what I've done, and as you can see, that's what I've done there. When I thought we were filming, but we weren't. Then you stick the circles on. That's the one with the 1 inch circle on the top, and underneath is the other 1.5 inch circle. Then you put your ribbon through. So really, it was nearly finished. It was right at the end. So we're nearly we're finished really, and that's basically the card. I'm really sorry for that interruption, but I'm going to have to sort out how you do it without getting cut off. But there's the bottom. Like I said, you could put a piece of whisper white or any colour on the bottom for to do your sentiment if you want a sentiment on the bottom. Or like I said as well, I thought it would be nice to have one in there, so when you open it up, can you see there? When you open it up, you'll see a sentiment in there. It'll be lovely. So that's that finished. If you've got anything to say, I don't mind, just tell us. I really don't mind, just let us know. That's that one finished. If you want anything from the shop, if you want to have a browse in my shop, I'll put everything on the bottom of the video. Put any comments in you want. I'd rather know what you think. And I'll put everything else there. Hopefully next time we'll get a tutorial done without any interruptions. But I'm going to show you these are the three that have been done, and they're lovely. Yeah, absolutely love them. This was the first one I made, and this one is the one that I made for today's tutorial where I missed what went off. So it's nearly finished, and that is going to be gorgeous. Like I said earlier on, it's pointless doing it when it's nearly finished. All I had to do was put the crossbar and the circles and the ribbon on, and that would have been finished. And I thought we were filming this morning, we weren't. But never mind, I will get done one of these days. So if if you want to give us a thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. You can, comment whatever you want to do. Just click down, down on the bottom there. And I hope to see you again. And thank you very much for your patience in watching. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.